Yo, welcome back to another tutorial on how to fix a line head. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to refluff the pom-poms. You know, sometimes when you order a brand new line and then the pom-pom is like all flat, I'm going to show you how to refluff it. Let me show you what I'm talking about, easier. So this is my brand new line, but you see how the pom-pom is like all flat right here? You know, it should be more of a ball shape like this. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. It's pretty easy, real easy, okay? Don't worry. Whoa, hold up. Before we start this tutorial, I'm going to need you to do me a favor. I'm going to need to make sure that you subscribe to my video if you haven't already. You got to subscribe. Alright, you subscribe? You got it? Good. Alright, let's go on. Wait, whoa, hold on. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up too, okay? I know you're going to do that at the end, but just do it now before you forget. Alright, let's go on with the tutorial. Alright, so basically, to refluff the pom-pom, you need one thing. You need steam. The easiest way to make steam is to boil water. Okay, you boil water, easiest way. To refluff the pom-pom is easy, but this is more of a challenge because it's already on the line head. I don't want to take the time and take the pom-pom out. That would be a lot of work. So to boil water over a stove and then try to hold the line head up and then, you know, refluff the pom-pom, that's a little bit hard. I went on Chinese Line Dancer and I asked a couple friends. They told me to buy a portable steamer, a garment steamer. And man, this thing is awesome. Saved my life. I think it costs like 13 or 14 bucks on Amazon. I'll post a link down there. You buy it if you want, or you can buy a different one. This is the one I got, okay? It works really well. I just tried it out one time. This is how it looks. Super easy. Untwist it, fill it up with water, put the cap back on, and then turn it on. About a minute later, steam is just gonna come out. Steam come out, you put it on line head, done. What I would recommend, get some cardboard paper, because this is steam, this is water. Water is not good for the line head. Line head is made out of paper, so you have a good chance to damage the paper if it gets too wet. So get a cardboard paper. I cut a slot, so I can slide it into the pom-pom, okay? So this will protect the steam from getting onto the line head. I got another paper, another cardboard, and I'm just gonna put it on top right there, just for maximum protection. And then I'm gonna turn it on, and then now I just wait for the steam to come out. When the steam come out, I'm gonna apply the steam to the pom-pom, and then from there, when the pom-pom is a little bit wet, that's when I start shaping the pom-pom. Alright, so my thing's boiling, there is steam coming out, you can't really see it, but you can feel it. I feel it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it to the pom-pom. I don't know if you can actually see the steam coming out, but you just kind of apply it to the pom-pom, and then you can put it down. Yeah, see, it's a little bit wet now. Now I can just start rubbing it. You see how the shape is already coming? See how the shape is coming already? It's not wet enough, so I'm gonna put more steam. I just put more steam on it, try to shape it a little bit better. But yeah, you just gotta slowly brush. I'm not an expert at this, so I can't make it exactly perfect, but at least it's not flat anymore like how it was before, so it is more puffy, more in a ball shape. Yeah, I'm not an expert at this. This is actually probably my second time doing this. So yeah, it looks a whole lot better than when it first looked. I can show you a before and after picture, I guess. Actually, I didn't take a before and after picture. Oops, but I took a before and after picture of the other pom-pom. So I did that pom-pom first. Still not that great, but a lot better than what it was before. It was completely flat, but it's more of a ball now. So yeah, that's how you refluff your pom-pom. Only thing is you just gotta really work on it to make it even. So this can definitely look better, but this is the basic principle of reshaping the pom-poms. I have some more to do. Like these small pom-poms, I have so many I need to do. I gotta do this one right there. and probably can fix this one. Yeah, that's kind of flat too. See, that's kind of flat right there. I'm not gonna show me doing all of these. That's just gonna take too long, but maybe after I'm done, I will show you guys. Alright, so I just finished reshaping these pom-pom. Again, not exactly perfect. Don't know how to separate the color so it looks nice, but it's more in a ball shape. This one's still a little bit flat right here, but it's more of a ball shape. All of these are more in a ball shape. Remember how some of these was pretty flat before? I think it was flat on this side, but now it's all puffed up. All puffed up. Should be looking nice like this, the colors. But man, I'm not that good at separating the colors, man. But at least it's a ball shape now. So it's a ball shape. Does look a whole lot better. This is my line. I got this from my Hing Kee. Woo! It's a beautiful baby right here, man. Yeah, I gotta shape some of these pom-pom twos over here. But man, it's a beautiful baby right here. Oh yeah. Give you a little lion tour. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I got a butterfly right here too, which is pretty cool. I thought. There's another pom-pom right there too. Yeah, this is my new baby. So that's how you fix the pom-poms. That's how you refluff the pom-poms. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you can do a better job than me. I'm probably gonna go back and try to fix it up a little bit more, but I did get the ball shape and it's not flat anymore, as you can see. So I'm happy for now, but I'm a little bit more picky, so I'm gonna spend a little bit more time on it and try to get the color correct too. But if you like this video, man, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Leave me a comment. Did it help you? Were you able to do it? You have any other questions on how to fix a line? I know some of you all people are asking me to do some other things. I can't show it to you unless I actually run into that problem. Because I'm not gonna break one of my line on purpose just to fix it for you guys, if that makes sense. So I know some of you guys are asking me how to attach the line head back to the rim. I know how to do that, but I don't have a line that is detached right now. So I'm not gonna go detach the line on purpose either. So just let me know what you wanna see or what you wanna learn, and I'll be glad to do it when I run into the issue. Okay, but other than that, I'm out for now, man. Peace out, guys and girls.